Welcome back. This is a 2,000 mile update on my Eahora X5 Plus. I just rolled over 2,000 miles last week, I believe, riding home from the office. And so I thought I'd give you a brief update because from my 1,500 mile video. So since that time, 1,500 miles I believe, I've had a flat tire on the back and a flat tire on the front, and I've replaced 2 tubes, and both of those were right here in this industrial area. I picked up first one was like a metal shard in the back, and then the second one was a screw right in the front. So the back tire is a new one I got on Amazon, and that was a lot of work to replace, so I replaced the tube and the tire. And then the front one is a new tube, and I was able to just put a tube patch on the tire, and so far it seems okay. So that's an update on that. Then I finally got the light to fix, thanks to the commenter about the Loctite. I actually used a rubber gasket, and that's holding it tight. And then I finally got a screw on Amazon, an M5, the set, and it's holding tight, so I love it. My light is staying well. You've seen this before. The left grip still twists, and I twist it back. The right, no problems. Then I got this on Amazon after all the flat tires, and I've got a pump kit in there, and this is a CO2 inflator, but I'm not sure when I tried it, it would work enough for a fat tire without, it depends how big the leak is and how much air you lost. But what I did, my first one fell off on the North Shore Gitchagumi Trail. So this one I did zip ties, and it's staying very well. It's supposed to go under a bike like here on a mountain bike, but I found a spot and kind of jimmy rigged it there. Everything else is holding up. My basket, really happy with. That's where I take my lunch pail to work. And then my little bag here works well under the seat as well. So someone commented and asked if I've done any maintenance. I hadn't done much until the tires and tubes, and I've got a new video about the rear, replacing the rear tire you should check out. I watched other YouTube videos which were super helpful, but it is tricky. So it's much easier to do the front tire than the back. And then the chain, I've got some WD-40 coming. I'm planning to just do a little lubrication, but I really haven't had to do much. I've messed with the brakes a little bit because they were rubbing, and I watched some good YouTube videos on that. And I've mostly, I think, eliminated the sound, but those are also tricky. So that's the 2,000 mile update. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or comment, drop it in the comments, or a suggestion, let me know. Thanks.